To input SIM cards into the POCO M8 5G, first of all, you have to grab your phone, rotate, and now we have to grab that SIM ejection tool and input it just over here. Do this slowly to don't scratch your phone. Now, while holding, just press. There we go. When it jumps out, we have to release. We have to use our fingers to take that off. There we go. Now put the phone back and we have to focus on this slot. So as you can see here, we can find the cutout and we have to align our card just like that. Now when you put it properly, you can hear the click sound. It means that you you input it properly. Now when you input the second SIM card, it's a little bit tricky. We got cutout over here, so we have to align this like so. Take a look. And here, it's not gonna click like with the first. And when you release, it could actually fall out. So we have to actually hold this like so, grab your phone, and try to gently input this. Now take a look, everything is fine. You can finally release. And now you just have to push with your finger like that, gently. Now when it's completely flat, like so, it means that you properly input it. And now as you can see, you have to input the PIN code into your SIM card.